Recently, I discovered my Snap-on branded 20-gallon compressor was losing air quickly. After removing the plastic beauty cover, I found where the issue was located. The air manifold was completely broken, and there was no way to repair this issue. I looked everywhere I could to find a new manifold for my compressor to no avail. Since the rest of the compressor is in excellent working condition, I decided I will just make a new manifold myself. This video will show you exactly what I used to make this work again. Since the original manifold is mostly proprietary, I was not able to recycle many parts from it, which included the main pressure gauge, the two quick connectors, and the pressure release valve. So, I went shopping at local hardware supply stores and on Amazon for the rest of the parts I needed. I decided to use all brass parts, and the two pressure regulators needed to be replaced. Each part was dry fit together to ensure it would fit on the compressor's original mounting points. I needed to find a way to mount the new manifold to the mounts, so I thought to make new clamps out of a couple half-inch cable straps. My vise was handy for this. Recycling the original bolts and anti-vibration rubber pads, I was happy with the results of this mounting system. And everything lined up reasonably well. Connecting all of the parts using the thread seal tape to ensure an airtight seal. It was time to check for leaks. After running the compressor to about 50 psi, I sprayed soapy water on all joints of the manifold and found only one connection with a small leak. After retaping and tightening up the leaky joint, the next leak test showed it was leak-free. This compressor, branded differently, seems to be available on the market for around $700 Canadian. I found the cost of parts and time to make a new manifold the most affordable. A total cost of $134.64 Canadian. A purchase worthwhile for me. I hope this video was informative for you, and perhaps you will be able to rebuild yours too. Thanks for watching.